Hi guys, I'm Beth Ramsden and I'm here with a quick unboxing video for you today. I don't usually do these kind of things, but when I saw these Real Littles shoes in my local city supermarket, I couldn't resist getting a couple of pairs. I've seen a lot of other people with them and I couldn't wait to get my hands on a pair or two. So let's get right into it and see what's inside. Okay, we have scissors at the ready. Okay, I take it you just cut into them. Okay, we have a proper little shoebox inside, very cute. I love the decoration on it. I made sure I got two that had different looking shoe boxes, so hopefully no repeats for the only two that I have. It says micro size. They're very cute. I don't know if this means that's what you're going to get. Let's have a look. Tissue paper inside, and $25 styles to collect. Okay, and here are all the possible ones. Oh, I really like that Pop-tastic. There's a lot of different ones I would be delighted to have. There. Oh, so cute! Here they are. Oh. So they're attached together. They have molded details, but with just at the top a little real shoelace. You can separate them from the chain. That off. There's a little tag, RL Real Littles. That's cute. And there we are. You can see they've got the RL logo inside the shoe. Molded detail on the bottom. Beautiful colours. Wow. And just so cute. Very soft pastel looking. I really like those. So those must be too cutie. Yes, too cutie. And they are basketball style. Wow. I don't know. I think some of them react in water. I don't think this is one of them. But look at that. Alright, I'll get on with the second pair. Same tissue. Oh wow. And these, gosh, they look quite special. They've got molded wings. They are covered in fine glitter. They're all shimmery. They've got black laces. I'm going to separate them. And here again. Again, they have the RL on the inside, although that's quite a narrow hole. And look at that. Look at these elaborate wings on either side. And that is the wings pair here. Yeah, just called Wings Roar. Oh, that's very cool. I have no idea how common or rare anything is, so you can let me know if this is a good find. I think they're super cute. Wow. All right. Stay watching until the end and I will try them on some different dolls, see what works, see how I can style them up with the clothes I have. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again later. Bye!